when the pace of pickleball has already accelerated out here in Kolkata. With that, we see in the second day in the 50 plus men's double category, the gold has been bagged by the IPF president Suryavir Singh Bhullar. Along with him was his co-player Dr. Nilesh Desai. I'm joined by them at this moment. What is that excitement about after winning that gold?
It's always great to win a gold, and especially when you're playing with a friend like Dr. Nilesh Bhai. He's a good friend of mine, and we've been playing together a lot from Gujarat. So it's a great joy to have played together and won the gold medal.
So what is your feeling?
It was a great pleasure to visit touring Kolkata, City of Joy, and City of Joy has given us a great joy of winning gold medal. Of course, with Suryavir Singh ji, we have been mentoring the whole pickleball in Gujarat, and thanks to IPA, Indian Pickleball Association, for hosting such a wonderful tournament at a wonderful venue. Thank you.
To also understand, since City of Joy has given you immense of joy this afternoon, but how was the opponent? Was it very tough, if we understand?
Honestly, the competition was not very tough. I
Okay.
think a lot of the players are still coming in from tennis, so they're still getting the basics of playing doubles. So doubles is a very different game. Tennis players are doing well in singles, but they have to adapt to the game in doubles. So I'm sure they'll do well in the coming
Where
time.
do you think are they missing out in the pickup?
So doubles, you require a lot of softness and a lot of placement in the game, and they're still used to driving the ball hard, which people like me like to be at the net and wait for those kind of drives. So yeah.
That was crazy.
Yeah.
But to understand from you, sir, how was the opponent first, but how was it to play with Suryavir, sir?
So Suryavir Singh is a mentor us. Like he has started, he's a pioneer of pickleball in Gujarat. So I love singles, but with him, I have played so many times that now I have started loving doubles. Doubles is totally different game than singles. You need to have totally different game. Softness, consistency, drop, links are the main basics of doubles. So player need to adapt from singles to doubles. And doubles gives you it's like community development, social relationship, everything will be there in doubles. So doubles pickleball is will always be a hard type to pickleball.
Thank you so much for speaking.
And one more thing I want to add, the best part about playing with him is that we enjoy our game. There is no pressure on each other, and that's the beauty of playing with him.
That is the beauty of pickleball, I guess.
Yes,
sir.
absolutely.
So thank you so
Thank
much.
you, thank you.
And congratulations for winning. So that was the duo who played magnificently well, and they have bagged a gold for themselves.